Point number one is authenticity. Authenticity, not in the eyes of women, but in eyes of everyone, is valued as a charismatic trait. Why? अगर आपको पता है कि आप what you want out of life and what you desire in a relationship, अगर आपके पास इस चीज की clarity है, then either ways you are winning in life and both in relationship. Why? Because first of all, आप अपनी energy को drain नहीं कर रहे. You value yourself. आप किसी और बंदे को बनने का pretend नहीं कर रहे. Because you know कि वो काफी draining होती है. आप जब किसी और को बनने का pretend करते हो तो आप एक performative category में आ जाते हो. You come out as a performative male. What happens is आप उस energy में लंबे टाइम तक नहीं रह सकते because it demands more energy from you to stay in that zone. What happens is, in the eyes of female, she can detect when you're being fake and when you're being real. It's something in their sixth sense or what, but yeah, they can figure it out that you're being fake. And in the eyes of women, if you don't respect yourself, you're not capable of being with her. And that's why we often hear the phrase that nice guys always finish last, because they always put someone else's need above their own. And what happens is, either they lose the respect in the eyes of women and overall their environment. Second thing, either they end up in a toxic relationship or they burn out and it gives you a lot of trauma. Now, what I want you to understand here is, most of the लोग इसे as an ego play समझते हैं. It's not being egotistical. Look, हर कोई आपके लिए नहीं बना होता है. Not everything is meant to be in your life path and you need to accept it. आप जो life से desire करते हो, you will eventually get it अगर आप अपने principles पे रहो तो. And जो आप assume करते हो that was meant to be in your life path, when you get the clarity, आप उसकी clarity कैसे पा पाते हो? जब आप authentic रहते हो. And you know that this person or this place is not for me and you're capable enough to walk away from it. My bro, you just don't only win in life but in relationship too, in romance too. Now यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग ये चीज़ गलती कर देते हैं. वो ये चीज़ assume करके चलते हैं कि women are always after those guys with huge bank balances and a model like face. where मैं इसको completely neglect नहीं करूँगा. देखो ये चीज़ contribute करती है, ये complimentary है, but अट्रैक्शन जो होता है वो एनर्जेटिकली फॉर्म में होता है. इट ऑफन हैपेंस इन लेयर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग अट्रैक्टेड टू दोज एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन एनर्जी ऑपरेट ऑन डिफरेंट लेवल्स. Feminine energy is expansion, it is the form of Shakti, it is in abundance. But when not channeled enough, when not channeled in the right direction, it brings chaos. That's why people often experience toxic relationships in their life and they go through many rejections. Why? Because their masculine counterpart is weak. When you don't have a sense of vision, when you're not ambitious enough, when you're an addict, it makes you seem less of a man and unworthy of being in a relationship and also in life. Why? Because as a masculine man, what the universe demands from you is to be ambitious, is to be a leader of your life, to have clear goals, to have a vision, to have this form of drive. And that thing is very attractive to women. The women finds it very charming and I have experienced it myself. When I always talk about my ambition, when I always prioritize my own timing and always take responsibility, that thing is highly regarded by women. And women always admire consistency. If you are consistent in your values, if you are true to your values, you win in life, you win in relationships. And both feminine and masculine energy complement themselves. Shiva and Shakti complement each other. That is the dynamic you have to understand when you talk about the relationship. Now, why am I talking about energies? Because जब आप अपने इनर वर्ल्ड में काम नहीं करते हो तो यू लीव अ गैप जो कि आप हमेशा दूसरे बंदे में ढूंढते हो. What happens is you often attract those people who have the same trauma in their lives. जिसके चलते होता क्या है, relationships become chaotic for you. Why? Because तुम अपने आप में complete नहीं हो. And when you work on yourself, when you work on your ambition, you feel more complete of yourself. And then you attract a person who is complete. जब आप एक frequency में vibe करते हो, एक higher frequency में vibe करते हो, you attract a person who is still in higher frequency. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास clarity है. तुम्हारे पास clarity है कि तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, तुम्हारा vision क्या है, what you want out of life. That sense of purpose is a really charismatic trait that women desire, that women want in a man. Everything begins when you take the steps. And as you take steps, the universe reveals its part to you. Take care.